Also guys, we'll take a look at this application here. So very easy AI application to use. As you can see here, a lot of anime and a lot of videos created by other people on this application. As you can see here for this section here, you have the tutorial section here as it relates to you creating your own videos and your own images, which you can also check out. And as well, you do have the For You section, which you can scroll and see what other people have created, and also tap on the recreate option to create similar videos to this. So as you can see here, you can scroll and see what other people have created. So as well, you can give the video a like and also share it with your friends and families and add it to your collection as well. So that's really pretty much it for that here. And you have the reference section, which you can either create videos from these creators as well. As you can see here, very similar to what I've just explained. Nothing much for that. As well, you can also create from their characters using, let's say, for example, Tyler, Rocky, for example, Saitama, Mr. Bean. You can use these same characters that they have used and create your own as well. So nothing much for that. As also you can use their scenery as well, and also their animals that they have used against here. Yeah, animals and so forth. Nothing much for that. So in the asset section is pretty much where you will see all your generated videos. Yeah, basically. So if you do tap on the plus icon here, this is where you're going to generate your own video. As you can see here, you can, if you don't have anything in mind, you can use these options here, or you can tap on this here and it will pretty much refresh the suggestions as well if you don't have anything in mind. So if I do tap on this here, as you can see here, it will give me prompt which you can use, and as well you can add a image as reference. And do keep in mind you're going to need credits as it relates to you generating your video or images, as you can see here. And I can as well add on different images as well. So you can just tap on this here. Once I've selected that, it will start generating in no time. As you can see here, the video will be ready very soon and so forth. So just all you have to do is go back and wait for the video to be ready, and it should check your asset section and it should be good to go from there. So in the me section, nothing much. This is pretty much where you will see your credits. So as you can see in here, I've pretty much used 10 credits to generate a video. And if I tap on the credit section here, this is pretty much where you go to get your credits. So you can get free credits, which I'm about to show you in a very few. So this here is just the standard subscription, which is $10 a month. You have the premium subscription, which is $35 a month. And you do get more credits per subscription. As you can see here, I only got 800 credits. I get 4,000 credits here. And for the ultimate plan, I got 8,000 credits, as you can see here. So very expensive for the month subscription overall, but that's pretty much it for that. And you can tap on the earn credit section, which you can earn free credits by just using their application. So here, if I tap on the check-in option, I'll be able to get 20 credits for completely free for just using their application. So that's a way in which you can get free credits as well. You can do other tasks as it relates to the application and get free credits as well. As you can see here, publish videos on my profile and sharing my link to other people and letting them sign up as well. You can tap on the gift box option at the top here, and you'll be able to share your invite link to your friends. And once they have signed up, or anyone have signed up through your link, you'll be able to get free credits as well. So very few ways in which you can get free credits. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And over here, we able to see the videos generated. So very decent AI application, not gonna lie. And if you have any problem with the application at all, just let me know in the comment section and I will see if I can help you. See you in the next one.